that we are announcing a brand new course, and that is YouTube Mastery. Yes guys, if you are a YouTuber and you are already stuck somewhere, or you want to start as a YouTuber, then this course is totally for you. Now guys, you might be thinking that who we are teach you this YouTube Mastery course, what is our experience and what we know about YouTubing, right? So let me tell you guys that we have already one YouTube channel that has more than 400,000 subscribers in just 4 years, right? And it has more than 24 million organic views. Let me show you the channel. So this is our Hindi channel where we create content in Hindi language. As you can see, we have created more than 2,000 videos and we have around 400,000 plus subscribers. So this is a huge number, and we do have more other channels of our client, but we can't show those channels because those are our clients and we don't have the permission to show those channels. But this is our channel where we do have this much subscriber, right? And we know how to grow these YouTube channels and how to build a business around these channels, because these days creating a YouTube channel or growing a YouTube channel is not that much hard, but creating a business around that YouTube channel is pretty hard. And that's what we are going to teach you in this particular course, right? As you can see here, I've mentioned as well that in today's world, YouTubing or YouTuber is not less than a business owner. If you know how to create or how to build a business around your YouTube channel, then you'll not be able to see any profitable business like this, because YouTubing is a very profitable business. Right now, if I talk about that, what are the things you are going to learn in this course? Well guys, we are going to start with the very basics so that everyone can learn, and gradually we'll go to the advanced level where we are going to show you all the strategies which you can follow in order to create your own brand in the market or the industry, or even we'll show you the strategies that which you can use in order to build a brand or a business around your YouTube channel, right? So this course will be full of theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge and tips and tricks which you can apply to your YouTube channel as well. Now there's one more point, that who can pursue this course, who can join this course and attend this course. Basically, if you are a YouTuber, already a YouTuber, and you are stuck somewhere, so you can watch this whole course. Or if you are thinking to start as a YouTube career, I mean if you want to become YouTuber and make a career in YouTube industry, then this course is totally for you. So with that said guys, let's begin this course, and let me congratulate you if you have joined this course, because now the time is going to change. So let's start.